Hey guys, welcome back to Bimmer PhD. I'm your host, Tim, and today I want to talk to you about mobile mechanics versus taking your car to the brick and mortar repair shop like us here in Pasadena, known as Bimmer PhD Motorsports. What's the difference? Well, it is convenient to have a technician come out to your house, assuming that he is a technician, and connect up the scanner and be able to pull some codes, which is what happened in this case. This client had contacted another mobile service who came out, pulled all of these codes, identified that these are the problems, took no photos, no videos, no documentation. What appears to be pumped into Chat GPT, and then let the customer know the problem is it needs a timing chain. And I can't do that in the field. I'm going to go ahead and have to recommend that you're going to go to a brick and mortar, which they don't know which brick and mortar. Now, do you think this added confidence to the customer that they're going to solve their problem, or did it add more confusion and distress? Because that's part of what we offer here at Bimmer PhD. We take the stress and the anxiety of having auto repair and problems off of your plate into something that we are used to doing in our day-to-day operation. So when you bring your car to a brick and mortar like us, what we like to do is use technology like our tablet, our digital vehicle inspection, to note down exactly what the problem is, not just what you're concerned that you brought it in for, but the overall condition of the entire car. Because most customers want to know, what about the condition of my tires, my brakes? Do I have any oil leaks? What things should I service next? And in the field, you don't have the opportunity to do that. As a matter of fact, you don't even have the ability to do that in certain circumstances, depending on the terrain. But here at Bimmer PhD, you get consistency, quality without compromise, testing, verification, and the fact that you have a family-owned business supporting your family and the investment in your vehicle. So what ended up happening with this vehicle, if you peek in here, you can see that the mobile mechanic was right, but were they able to solve the customer's problem? It does need a timing chain. The timing chain has a tremendous amount of play. But what was the end result? After paying a mobile mechanic, the client had to bring their car into us, have it documented and ready to go. And now we have a written estimate with a guaranteed outcome and a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. Not to mention, now the customer is able to be in a loaner car doing what they need to do without them having the stress of not being without their car. So those are some of the benefits why you would do business with us versus other repair shops. Hopefully you learned something. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as my team says, happy beamering.